Hey guys, what's going on? It's Face Slayer the Fish Slayer coming at you with another video. Now, I just recently got a GoPro, so you're going to be expecting some higher quality content. And I'm here today at Park Creek Pond. It's another pond that I fished recently, and before last year I've also fished it. So this is just an overview of what it is. It's a small pond. I'd say about 2 acres, 3 maybe. It's very small, but there are some trout here, some bluegill, and suckers, and I'm gonna hope to catch one of those fish today. I already drilled a hole. The ice is like 2.5 feet deep, very deep, and I'm gonna start jigging. So let's see how that goes. All right, now I'm gonna get this. I'm just using a kind of fluorescent color jig here. It's got purple, green, really nice, and tip it with a bit of wax worm. Let's see how she does. Just to make sure you all know how deep this is, look at this. There's the hole. Look at that. All the way down there. That's like, I can put my whole arm down there. Like, that's at least 3 feet. It's crazy. And there's a train. Great. Jesus. Yeah. There it is. There it is. Come on. Oh, you'll stay on. Stay on. Yes. Woo. All right. Good. Hey, buddy. It's okay. Oh my God. Finally. And we got the GoPro rolling? Yeah, we do. All right. Oh, but you didn't swallow it. The hook came out good. Look at that, boys and squirrels. Look at that. It's a nice brookie. These are what we're after. And you know what? I think no, I'm not going to keep them. But we are going to get that release. There we go. All right. Always good to get the first fish. I mean, it's not the first fish, it's the second, but that's nice. Off to catch some more. All right. It's getting pretty chilly. I'm gonna bring the shelter over here and set up, since this is doing pretty well. All right, let's try to set her up. Whew. I think that's it's a little snowy. That's all right. We like the snow. All right. Whew. There she blows. Look at that. All comfy. Had it again. You know, brook trout are really finicky. There's another one. There we go. All right. Second of the day. Oh, come on. Don't get in the heater, bud. Yep. All right. Yep. Chill. It's all good. It's all good. You're fine. Ha ha ha. Look at that, boys and squirrels. Second one of the day. Beautiful fish, and flopped right into the hole. Wow. All right, second of the day. Hopefully more to come. Jesus, is that another train? It is. There it is. The 4th train today. If that. Oh, that's so loud. I'm gonna cut down the volume for you guys, don't worry. But oh my god. You're so annoying. He's gonna do it right around here. Ah, ha 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 ha. Belly wave. Ah. Nobody likes train horns. The guy waved to me as he was doing it. He knows. He knows. Alright everybody, I'm going to have a couple seconds to talk here. We're about to leave. I'm going to pack up and I'm going to shoot the outro. And when I get back, I'm going to charge the GoPro a little bit, make the outro, do a little bit of that, maybe do some editing on another video I'm working on. But I'll